Testing. Hope this is working. Okay. Third time I'm starting the stream. Damn it. Okay, I hope this is working. I hope this is working. Does it look like it's working? I think for now it seems fine. Okay, anyways, I'm missing some sound effects, so I'll have to work on that. Okay. So, the thing is, when I collect all of the collectibles, I want to play a sound effect. You know, like when the confetti comes out, I want there to be a sound effect. Now the problem is I don't really know how to make it, so I have to. Well, hopefully I can figure that one out. Oops. Let me start this level. There we go. It doesn't seem to be lagging at the moment. Ah, great. Thanks, man. All I did was I restarted my computer. I restarted both computers, so I don't know like which is the bottleneck. You know, I'm at a point where I don't really know. I don't really know what I should be focusing on. Sometimes it's like that. Yeah, sometimes it's like that indeed. Yeah, I'm at a point where I feel like I'm like mostly done. I guess I can work on the narrative aspect of the game. Actually, how should I go about the narrative aspect of the game? Hello, Crazy UX. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. So, previously I changed my network settings, and I thought like that would have fixed the problem, but apparently I needed to restart my computer. So. We were just talking about like just talking about what I can do for the project at this point, because it feels like I'm pretty close to the finishing line. I have like 90 levels at the moment, right? I have more planned as updates after the initial release, but I will be releasing it at with 90 levels, and yeah, at the moment I have yet to implement say monetization. I've yet to implement monetization, which is probably just ads. you know, or maybe IAP to remove ads. I needed a little bit of some narrative element. See, you just went to get some ice cream because why not? Hey! Oh man, you're making me hungry. Monetization, narrative, maybe cutscenes. Uh, Dynamic music not fully implemented. I want to try doing that. But maybe a primitive one, you know? Like not super good is fine. It's more of a learning experience. A primitive version. Monetization, narrative, dynamic music, some sound effects. So I think I want to finish up the sound effects first. I want the sound effects for when I throw out the confettis. So let me think. Since localization will be a lot of work, I'm assuming you want to do narrative without text, right? Yeah, mostly without text, yes, that's correct. Yeah, I'm trying to cut down on the costs. In Serious Scramblers, the localization cost me like a few $100s, which is a relatively low cost. Yeah, but for this project, I'm trying to keep the cost even lower. Okay, let's try making the sound effects. Let's try. How do I make a sound effect? Let's see, chip tone. Let's try this one. Trying to make like a ding ding. Do I have that? Ugh. Ah. Let's remove the arpeggio. Oh my god. I think I need to mute the music first. Okay, there we go. Not good. Cute. No. Damn it. If only I can just compose like a 2-second jingle. Dun, dun. Don't know how to use this. How do I do this? Bum 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 bum. Triangle lo-fi. It's terrible. I don't know how to work with this. Konami Wave. What's that? Wow! No, I cannot. I shouldn't be doing anything. I shouldn't be doing anything music related. I don't know how to work with them. Nope. Let's get back to chip tone. How about lap shirt? Power up. Look at that. Don't hear anything. Ow! Let me lower the... Wait, let me see. How loud is it? It's pretty loud, yeah? I'm gonna lower the volume for the desktop audio. Okay. Power up is not really the one I need. What's Quang? That was pretty loud, right? How about now? It's okay now, right? Star power. Maybe I can use this. It sounds almost like Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon. Alright. Alright. Let me export this one for now. A bit soft now. Let's try more. Let's try more. I'm trying to find a sound effect to play when I collect all of the collectibles, you see. Shatter. Why not? Let me export these as well. Sparkles? 2. Menu. Oh. Oh yeah, have you seen Charles' Steam page? Should not be using this. Raw? Oh, that's cute. Mystic Space. No. No. Wow, that's loud. Cute. Chime. You know what? That'll do. For now. Yes, I see. Hello, Colorzone. Yeah, I think it's not lagging anymore. Thankfully. Let me get a drink of water. Just a moment. Okay. Audacity time, I guess. Every time, right? Every time I'm streaming, right, someone asks me a question about school. Anyways, let me focus on my. Oh, hey, Colorzor, what's up? What's up, Colorzor? No, Amanda, I'm not popular. You're not going to like remove passives entirely. Okay, do tell. You're going to have them as well as active. Wow. Okay. Oh, what do you intend your passive to be? Oh, is that list that you have right from last time? Wow, it's loud. I'm sorry. Okay. More akin to Castle Crashers in the form of a pet that all behave the same, just with a different sprite and different passive with a lesser effect. So bonus like a small damage increase as well. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. That sounds good. Pet would be cute as well. That's cool. Oh yeah, before I forget, let me just wishlist Charles' game. Skull Chain. You seen this? Oh, it's uploaded a video, that's cool. Just add to my wishlist. Cool. Hell yeah. Back to UI and options. Oh man, UI. UI takes me so bloody long to implement. Doesn't sound right, to be honest. What if I reverse this one? What happens? Reverse. Oops. Ah, okay. Ah. Oh, terrible. How should I do this? I don't know. It sounds terrible. Try speeding it up. Speeding it up. Speeding it up. Okay, okay. Speeding this one up? Sure. Let me try. Um, maybe this thing doesn't really work anymore. The Sparkles 2 doesn't really work anymore. What if I put it slightly here? Yeah, it's terrible. Hmm. I think reset keybinds to default and pause menu thingy, then back to game stuff. Okay. What does this sound? Hmm. And skill tree stuff. Skill tree should come after combat, right? Skill tree should come after you're able to at least fight enemies. Oh, hang on. Let me get rid of this silence at the end. Whew. You're currently trying to learn how to set up the UI and resolution, output, etc. in OBS. Ah, okay. Cool, man. Have fun with that. Yeah, I had a lot of problem with like streaming uh, uh while maintaining uh performance. Like my computer used to lag a lot when I stream, which is why I set up like another laptop. So I have one laptop to handle the video encoding. Yeah, another laptop for like just capturing and sending the signal over to the streaming laptop. Mm. You can fight enemies, but they can't. Yeah, that's the thing. They can't fight back. You got things in already. It's just gonna be spending them and hoping and having that change be in the game. Right, right. You hear 720p is the way to go. Ah, yeah. Mine is 720p as well. 720p and I set the frame rate to be at 30 FPS, so it doesn't like overload my computer. You know what? I'm just gonna I'm just gonna export this. Wait, I'm going to combine them first. Wait a second. Okay, normalize it, I guess. What? Did I not select it? Oh. Okay. Export as a wave. 720p isn't the way to go if your computer is capable of going higher. Yeah, that's not the case for me because my computer is not that powerful. I used to go 60 FPS, but then it turns out to be too much for me, for my computer. Okay, let me increase the volume a little. Is the music even... there we go. Okay, it's time to upload, or rather time to import that sound effect. Sparkles. Only thing you're missing is a new graphic card. And you're waiting for prices to go down and more availability again. Not really in a hurry though, right? Nice.
What is this place?
Sparkles. Set it at 0.65. There you go.
What is this place?
You have 0 issue or lag when you stream. Nice. Honest edition got it when your new plan on upgrading to RTX. I guess there's no need for 720p then. Where should I add the effects? There we go. Got it recently and it really helps with keeping the workspace in GMS2 more clean. Oh. Okay. Confetti, right? Confetti. There we go. Oops. When do you intend to start streaming? Alright, time to trigger this event. Will this work? Let me try. You don't have a proper plan yet, but you want to do a test stream once the setup is complete. Nice! Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's try collecting all of them. Oh, I guess it's fine. The sound is there. How about the sound effects for this? I have no idea what I should do here. I know, I'll trigger another event here. I'll trigger another event here. Spray confetti, trigger it here. Let's try again. Yeah, for my next project, I'll probably be making better use of the event system. Oh, the Metroidvania? No. The top-down centipede shooter thing. Can't wait until graphics card gets more affordable again. Yeah. Next project, Metroidvania. Not yet. Not for me. Not yet. Yeah. I'm going to work my way towards a Metroidvania. Step by step. Because with each project I'm going through, right, the intention is like I'm building up my tool set. Right, so I have like UI classes now, I have a FSM class now, I have some event triggering system now. Yeah. And hopefully at some point I will be able to confidently work on a Metroidvania. Hey, thanks, Crazy UX. Oh. Do it after JJ. Yeah, I don't think I can. It's too soon. The thing is, okay, here's the reason why I'm not doing a Metroidvania right after Jamjoboa. It's because I don't believe I can release it in a year, so I'm not gonna work on it yet. Right, because I've set a goal for myself. I want to release a new IP per year. Just do it. Then take longer than a year. Well, I mean, it's the kind of thing that you young people say. Yeah, but the thing is, I've gotten to a point where I have to think about the costs of taking multiple years to work on a project that may not, advance my end goal of being able to make a sustainable living. Because I've done that before, right? Spending years on a project. I've done that before. And I've changed my strategy, after that experience. Yeah, but eventually I will get back to it. The very first big idea I've had was like, I think about almost 2 decades ago, I think, like maybe 16, 17 years ago. I wanted to make a horror game. I wanted to make a horror game with a little bit of a time traveling element in it. Well, not exactly time traveling, but something like it. It's always the same pitch. Should I tweak it a little bit? Not even. It's just why wait on working on something you want to work on something just because it'll take less than. Okay. Here's the thing, right? I don't hate the smaller projects that I'm working. Right? That's the difference. I still enjoy working on non-Metrovanias. And after evaluating my strategy, like after thinking about what I should do in order to work towards becoming sustainable, I think the answer to my question was that I should release more things. Release more things, and in the process of releasing more projects, I will build up my tool set. I will better my skills, and eventually I'll be ready. Yeah. At least that's the plan. That's the plan. It's not like, oh man, I wish I'm working on a Metroidvania. I hate working on this one button platformer. No, it's not like that. It's never like that. I like making games, right? That's fundamentally it, right? It's not like I just want to work on one genre. No, that's it. That's not me. Okay, let's change the pitch here a little. Audio sound pitch. Basically throwing poop at a wall and hoping something will stick to hope to make a bit of money from it. Well, I wouldn't say throwing poop. I mean, unless you are saying I'm making poop. So no. Also, I'm not just randomly working on things and then releasing it without changing how do I put it, without reiterating on my process. So I've mentioned, right, I reached out to Apple, and for Serious Scramblers I've gotten a response for that. So with each project I'm releasing, right, I am like building up a relationship with the platform owners, hopefully trying to build up a community, trying to build a following for my games. Yeah, because those kind of things, those community building, it really only happens when you have a game, right? And the worry is that if I take too long for a single project, then I might not be able to build a following fast enough. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not good at this sort of thing, I'll be honest. I'm not good at promoting my work in general. Which is why I'm relying on releasing more stuff. Peach. .9, 1.1. I have another game I would like to make a bit more simple. You remember playing an old game on a non-smartphone, right? Like Nokia phones that you haven't seen been made. A lot of games like it again since you played. It's a simple game with colored blocks that falls down, and you play as Mario-like character that moves the blocks around. Ah, cool. Yeah, my previous project was actually a remake of a Nokia game called Rapid Roll. Yeah. It started as a remake of that game, but then it turned out very different. This saying. I suppose, but the difference would be that I'm not throwing the same thing. Each one would be better than the last. The idea is that because from each game that I've made, or rather from each poop that I made, right? I would try to find out how to make the next one stickier, if you know what I mean. and this kind of stuff you really only be able to learn them from releasing games, right? Just making them doesn't cut it. I have to release them in order to learn about, stuff like reaching out to the relevant parties, or marketing in general. Right. No, I understand. I had thought you meant that I was working on something that I didn't really like, but that is not true. Yeah. Is it too much? Is that effect too much? In short, you've got your egg spread and not all in one basket. Yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah. You have the best phrase for this sort of thing. Best phrases. Yeah, that's exactly right. Not have all your eggs in one basket is what I meant to say. Yeah. Doesn't have to be the same as another game. You can still borrow others' game ideas. Yeah. Everything is a remix these days. It's very hard to come up with something that is truly original. Which is why I really love the game Portal a lot, because Portal is, I feel like, it's truly original. In a time where you feel like games have pretty much explored like all kinds of ideas, Let me make the effect a little bit softer. I don't like it that loud. Let me tweak it. Hello, Amanda. Did you manage to grab your food or something? I assume you're off to get dinner or something. Oh, hello, Captain Blade. Hello. Yeah, Captain Blade, I'm just trying to work on the remaining tasks. Right, it's gotten to a point where it's getting a little bit difficult to find what I want to work on. I guess that's a good sign. Portal, the game with the orange and blue portal. Yeah, exactly. I love that game a lot. It's one of the most original games I've ever seen and played. I'm currently working on like adding missing sound effects to the game. So I was working on an effect that would play when I collect all of the collectibles. So let me see if it plays properly. Yeah, something like that, something that sounds a little bit sparkly. Portal is such a good game. I know, right? I love Portal so much. Let me get the echoey version for that one. Let's generate some silence behind. Let's try that. Bum, 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 bum. Echo. I kind of have the all eggs in one basket sort of thing, as it might not be seen. As it might not be seen by that many. You're trying to start and share a little more. In fact, of course, like with different kind of projects, you'll need a different kind of approach. So for someone like myself who has trouble, reaching out for funding, because I'm never really good at talking in the first place. I've chose my particular approach where I make smaller games, and release more of them. But if you have a huge project and you're worried about the risk, you probably can reach out to publishers once you have like a vertical slice of your game, and reach out to as many as possible, right? Or reach out to investors. Maybe someone would support your vision. Because I know that's what my brother is doing. So my brother is also working on his own game. But it's significantly riskier, right? Because it's going a few years without a salary. So that's definitely risky. Okay. You're trying to start to share a little more of your game. You think for collecting the keys it would be more feedbacky? It would be more feedbacky. If they rise in pitch each time, each key. If they rise in pitch each key, so it has a rising effect to signify progress. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good idea. I did that for the coins. Yeah, I should probably do that for keys also. That's a good idea. Yeah, I'll try that. I'll see if I can do that. Ending song for Portal was great. Yeah, both Portals had good ending song. Pretty awesome. Wow, is this too much? Sorry about the sudden loud sound effect. I'll export the second one. Sparkle's Echo. You haven't played Portal 2? Oh my god, how many years do you want to wait? It's so cheap now. Go get it! How old is Portal 2 already? Let me see. Portal 2. 20 years later, you'll still be telling people, oh, don't spoil Portal 2 for me. Go play it now. It's so good. How long ago? 2011, oh my god. It's 10 years. You should play it, it's really good. You're not making it because of money though, it's more of a hobby. In that case then you have no worries. It's more of a hobby project, right? That's great. It's very liberating to not have to worry about the financial aspect of things. It's definitely very liberating. I would also like to not think about money. But the thing is, if I can, right, I don't want to have to work multiple jobs while doing my project. Yeah, I want to just be able to make a sustainable living from making games. That's my ideal. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to work towards. It's proven to be pretty difficult for someone like myself. Yeah, but I'm trying. I'm trying. I forgot to delete the silence. Damn it. Let me delete this. Let me export again. You be careful not to spoil. You actually play both games. Me too. Me too. I've played all the Half-Lives and the Portals. Oh wait, I have not played Half-Life Alyx. Half-Life Alyx. I don't have the bloody expensive hardware to play it. Damn it. Uh let's see. Just work for EA. No way, man. I especially do not want to work in AAA. I don't want to work in AAA. It's not for me. You haven't played any Half-Life games? Oh, you should. You should. I mean, there's a remake, right? There's a Black Mesa. That is the remake of the first Half-Life. Can try that. At least you can like I suppose you can try it just for the sake of understanding what the fuss is about. Right? It's a significant piece of video game history because the FPSs that came out after Half-Life is significantly different from the ones that came before Half-Life. So it's that influential. You don't really like to. Ah, I see, I see. Oh, in that case, there's no choice. Is it because of motion sickness? Half-Life is trash? Kalazar, how dare you? Hmm. You literally watched a video explaining the entire plot. Ah. You're just really bad at aiming. Oh yeah, me too. I'm really bad at aiming too. That's why I don't play. I don't play shooters competitively, cause I'll get killed every single time. Yeah, but the single player, I guess it's still alright. It's not that bad. How dare you have an opinion? Hello, 1 a.m. train. Hello, hello. You played all Half-Life 2 games and the developer commentary short demo game. Oh right, it's called Lost Coast, right? The commentary short demo. I believe it's a demo for like it's a tech demo, right? Talking about the graphical stuff. Alrighty then. Let me import my new thing. Today's pretty chill. I feel like I don't really have a lot that I want to work on stream. Let's duplicate another. Sparkle Echo. Ah, right, right. A new build. Is currently awaiting review by Apple. So once that is done, I will be able to release the link for the alpha test. Yeah, so it'll probably take like a day or two for Apple to approve that build. So fingers crossed. You don't have iPhone. Ah, right. I also have a Android version. Yeah. Yeah, I just submitted it only. Yeah, I'll let you know once it's ready. Thanks, man. Thanks for the interest. They have places where you can relax, not much is happening, and you can enjoy the scenery, then the action scenes. That way you're not overwhelmed. Right. Lost Coast. Right. Yeah, it's on both. I intend for it to be on both the Play Store and the App Store. Yeah. So the play testing build should be available pretty soon. You literally check the Play Store and there's a game called Jaboaja. I know, right? I think someone shared it. I think Joe first shared it. In the Discord server before. Jaboa Jump 3D, right? Is it that one? Yeah. This one. See, this is my competitor. I'm competing against Jaboa Jump. Yeah, but I think it's more of a doodle jump style of game. Oh wait, maybe not. Maybe it is. I don't know. Like piece action, you're trying to do something like that for a game as well. Ah, okay. For pacing, yeah. That's cool. Your game can be played by cats. Your competitor is New Gear Throne. I mean, people will compare. It's just how it is. Is this actually made in 3D? Let me see. Is it pre-rendered? I don't know. Is it actually 3D? Yeah, anyway, this looks like plays like Doodle Jump, I think. Cool. Hmm. It's serious scramblers by reverse. You know the game is incredible when it has 3D/HD in the title. Ah. Yeah. You're not really bothered by that, you know. You're not trying to make a clone and trying to put your own spin on it. Cool. That's great, man. Echo. Can I do this? I think I can do this. I'm not sure if this syntax is fine or not, but Let's go for it. Your game looks better though. Thanks. Thank you. Jump Jerboa HD when? 3D. 3D is something I would like to do in the future. But I think I'll probably be making a Metroidvania first before I even touch 3D. Considering the workload, you know, 3D. 3D workload is it's a bit much. But you know what? You know what kind of aesthetic I like? I want to make something that looks a little bit like this. Hang on, eh. Let me see, what's that game again? That Mega Man game. Mega Man... What's that 3D Mega Man game called from the PlayStation? Ah, Mega Man Legends, that's right. I want to make something that has that aesthetic. Let me see if I can find it. I want to make something like this. I love this look. And I feel like if I push myself, I might be able to make something like this. Like, model something like this. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, but the problem is with the character design, right? I don't think I can actually... There's so many things I want to do, but there's only so much time. Models would be hard to do at all. It's more of the texturing and the rigging, right? Right, the rigging, texture mapping. Yeah, I understand. All of those will be painful. Mega Man has hair. yes, that's right. Crazy UX, your dream project is to make a full 3D platformer game. Nice. Hang on. Have I heard of Roku? What's Roku? What's Roku? For TVS, what's Roku? Roku? Streaming players, smart TVs, wireless speaker. What's that for? Jump Juboa Doom crossover. I think Animal Crossing Doom crossover is more likely. You actually have to head to bed earlier than usual because you're still tired from the jet. Ah, okay. Thanks for hanging around, man, Amanda. Thanks. Yeah, I've worked with 3D modeling and textures before, but it's a while ago. Yeah, me too. Last time I did it was like more than 10 years ago. In school. I did it in school. Just for one module. Yeah, I would like to do something low poly, that's right. In the future. It's like a Fire Stick, but not by Amazon. Fire Stick? What's a Fire Stick? Wow. Never knew any of this. Oh my goodness. What is this? Streaming device. Fire. Heard of the Fire brand? Like that's Kinder Fire, right? Wait, is it called Kinder Fire? Let me see. Yeah, it's Kinder Fire. I heard about that one. Which is just a tablet. Fire stick is a torch. You plug it into your TV and it allows you to go on Netflix and YouTube and stuff like that. Oh! Oh, okay, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Or you can just use your PlayStation, I guess, if you have a PlayStation. Hmm. Nice. Nice. Have you watched that Animal Crossing X2 music video? It's hilarious. Which one? Is it the one with the chibi models? I've seen that one. You do, but it's for your living room TV. Ah, okay. I see. Okay, let me just run this. Hopefully it works. You don't know which one that is, right? Ah, Animal Crossing. I've stopped playing it already, but there's a point in time where I was playing it every day. I think I spent like 200 hours on Animal Crossing. Okay, let's test it out. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, I forgot to check something. Parameters. Message.parameters, got it. Message.parameters.echo. If it's true, I play the echoey version. I guess? The one where Isabel commits several war crimes on demons. I might not have seen that. The song is really good. Oh man, I'll have to look for it later. I don't think I've seen that one. Okay, it's a slightly echoey version. I wish I know how to play a sound right for this progress bar, but maybe I'll just keep it silent. Have y'all played Doom? Doom 2016 and Doom Eternal? Which one do y'all like better if you have played them? Video is by Chalk Eaters. Ah, okay. Let me write that down somewhere. I'm gonna head off now. Oh, alright, man. See you, Amanda. Thanks for hanging around. I may be ending early today because I don't really have a lot to work on, and I don't want to do monetization stuff today. Where's the key collect? There we go. Peach. Let me check. Oh, I'm already pitching it up as I collect the keys. Really? Didn't even realize. Yeah, I'm already doing it. What the heck? Huh. Yeah, I'm already doing it. Oh no! What do I do now? I think I'm done. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What can I do for cutscenes? Can I do for cutscenes? Sound effects sounds a little bit repetitive, to be honest. Should I make do with it? Damn it. Ah, there we go. So far, so good. Canon levels plays really differently from the other worlds, I feel. Oops. There we go. Amanda, I think Amanda went off to sleep. Do you need her for something? Bum, 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 bum. Oh, what's up, man? What do you need her for? Oh, you mean the one called Strays? Yeah, she showed me that one. Is that the one you're referring to? Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, she's definitely seen it. I think it's very easy to market the game towards Amanda. Just make it about cats. Okay, let's see. Narrative. Actually, how should I go about presenting the narrative of the game? This is something that I'm not good at. How do I do it? So the thing is, you are one among many. Is there a narrative? Yeah, I'm trying to add like some kind of a narrative that is not particularly in your face. I just want to set up the premise of the game. And the premise is that you are one of... Wow, my handwriting is terrible. You are one of many Jaboas in a facility, right? And you need to escape, or you want to escape. That's it. How do I set up this premise? The narrative is that Jaboa wants to play the secret Yellow Gear full versions, but it's never. Yellow Gear, eh? Oh, hello Guan Yu. Jaboa Olympics. Yellow Gear is the peak gaming experience. No way, man. No way. Hmm. Let's see. Oh man, I have no idea what I need to do. So I guess I can make use of the sequences, game maker sequences, maybe. Maybe I can draw like a cage, you know, cage, and the Jaboa is inside. Damn it! I just look like I'm drawing a cat. Never mind. And then you break out of the cage. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's just bring up pixel edit. What's the facility for? It's just like some kind of a. Or I mean, it's a lab. It's probably the same kind of lab you'll find Pinky and the Brain in. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. I draw well with a mouse. Oh yeah, you're much too kind. I mean, it's pixel art, so I can just I just plot individual pixels. Let's see. How do I? Make the full game called Go Gear. GG, Go Gear. Hello and welcome to the Aperture Science Jerboa testing facility. Exactly. Anyways. Oops. How do I draw cages? I have no idea. I need a Jerboa here. Which layer is the Jerboa in? Layer 1, there we go. Hello Jover! What's up man? How's it going? Jerboa in the cage, what will he do? He will break out of it. Let's break out of the cage. I do not know how to draw cages. Okay, fine, I do not know how to draw period. Hang on. Ah, damn. Oh my god, wrong layer. Damn it. Okay, there you go. Let's make it smaller.
Oh, yeah.
What's that? Jerboa what? Jerboa 3. Oopsie daisy.
This is me at my most evil. Do your evil laugh.
Yeah. Who redeemed that? Colorzaw, I see. Yes. Okay, I just realized something not so good about this cage. Ah, okay, there we go. What if I make it redder? A little bit more Menacing. Wow, that's too much. That's me as you go to work for EA. Jaguars are for killing, not for putting in cages. Save the Jaguars for killing.
'Tis but a scratch.
Yes, indeed, 'tis but a scratch. What were the cages before? No, I'm just thinking of setting up the premise of the game. I'm just thinking of setting up like you are basically a lab animal, I guess, like in the facility, research facility, and you are supposed to escape. So I thought putting it in a cage is the easiest way to convey the idea that you're breaking out of wherever you're trapped in. Yeah, doing this now. Yeah. I'm doing the narrative element last. At least for this, yeah. For this game. Game is done and you're doing this now. So the thing is, another thing I want to convey is that you are not the only Jaboa. There's like a lot of them. How do I do this? Hang on, eh? So stuff in the background should have a different color. Oh, too much. Not enough. I guess. Make each and every Jabbar unique. Oh man. Every time you die, you secretly transfer your control to a... Exactly! It's like you're reading my mind. That's the intention. That's the intention. So I want to eventually reveal to the player that each time you die in the game, right, and then you restart, you're essentially playing as a different Jabbar. At some point I will review it, maybe as one of the post-release update. That's the plan, yeah, that's the plan. I wonder how closely I will stick to the plan though. Every time you do the sprite for the character changes, now I get to... How do I even change it? Look at how small this character is. It's so small. 7 by 8, look at that. So small. It's a small boy indeed. And then all the dead Jabbars combine into a one final zombie ball. To make it darker so it looks like it's in the background. Not dark enough. It's a bit weird. I need to desaturate it. Maybe that's not the right word. Desaturate. Darken it a little bit. Nope. Nope. Leaving your prison home will result in many deaths. Such a spicy message. That's not the message I intend to to tell the players though. That's not the message. Wholesome message. I'll do something like this for now. Then, let me just... Oh, I can create groups now, I forgot. Yeah, groups. Background. No, not really background, but forward back. No, just call it back. What I want to do is I want to duplicate this. Oh my god. Duplicating a folder does not duplicate the stuff inside. What the hell? Come on, man. Okay, something like this. I made a mistake here, let me fix it. Meme format worthy? Background Jabbar is like he doesn't know. Oh, yeah, I guess. Can I do this? Just doing a mock-up, yeah. I'm not sure if I'm able to recreate this in the game itself, or even if it's worth the effort. I have to see about that. Bum, bum, bum. It should get progressively darker and darker, right, towards the top. Ah. Oh, hey, Guan Yu. Try having some broken cages around, maybe. Yeah, maybe I should have that. Peter would like to know the location of this facility. Having broken cages can add to the scene feel. You're right. I do want to have like a lot of broken cages towards the end, like the end of the game. When you set up the description of what you will stream now and link your Twitch to OBS, still a bit to set up, so might not be done today. Alright man, I look forward to it. So the idea is that you will see this Jerboa break out and move towards the right. And then I will transit to the world selection. You might stream game dev sometime. It seems fun. Yeah, it is. It is fun. It is fun. It holds you accountable in a sense. Like when you stream your game, when you put your work out there publicly, you'll feel more compelled to keep working on your thing. This is one of the reasons why I'm doing it. It forces me to finish my games. Okay, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I get it. can switch to this, switch back, use the color replacement tool. Problem is you're a bit shy with mic. Oh yeah, me too. Me too. When I first started streaming, I do it without mic. Got a proper mic and microphone arm. Don't have a webcam setup at the moment. Be using a reactive PNG instead. Right. Blue Yeti mic. Ooh, what's that? Let me look it up. So your mic is absolutely trash. I see. Oh man, that looks pretty cool. Looks professional, man. Color looks weirder and weirder. Maybe this is not a good idea. Hang on. Undo, 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 undo. Undo, 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 undo. Maybe I should do lightness instead. You literally use a headset mic. Me too. You figure to invest in something like that because it will last for years. Oh sure, go ahead. Go ahead and link a picture. Oops. Aha! Let's check it out. Oh, that looks fancy. You have such a clean table too. Look, oh man, mine is a mess. I feel ashamed. Oh, that looks cool, man. It's awesome. Look at that. You have the same wallpaper. What is this? What is this wallpaper? You literally only have a laptop. Me too. That's probably a smarter way of doing whatever I'm doing, but eh. Okay. Okay. We have the same setup? Yeah, man. Laptop. So my graphic card is not very strong, so I cannot like I have trouble with the performance of the program, right? If I were to stream on the same laptop that I'm working on. So I'm using a 2-laptop setup. And one of my laptop is acting as the streaming computer. Chat laptop headset setup. Yeah, man. Okay, let's call this a mockup. Oh, you only have one. Ah, I see. Oh, should I name this file? Intro mockup? Let's just call it intro mockup. Oh man, it's almost 2:30. Maybe I'll stop here. I'll think about how to animate this. I'll think about how to integrate this into the actual game itself. So everything is a little bit too close to the ground. Let me do something about that. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. Oops. Okay. She will never ends on time. Ending soon, ending soon. In probably a couple more minutes. You usually use a clean wallpaper from Night in the Woods. Hey, Night in the Woods. Night in the Woods is a pretty special game. It's orange in color and very minimal. You think the color is supposed to be inspirational. Right. Maybe this will be enough, right, just to set up the premise of the game. And then I can work on the ending after release of the game, right? So I'll be periodically updating the game with more levels. Yeah, I guess I can do that. You haven't actually played Night in the Woods. It's a pretty special game. It's not very gamey. It's more of like it's trying to tell a story, and I think it's like the game is primarily the story. Right, the mechanics isn't really what you. The mechanic is not the focus of the game. Yeah. It's the story, it's the interaction between the characters that makes it special, I feel. Alright. There is a lot of Jaboas. Yeah, it's pretty story based. You're pretty much done with your game jam game, by the way. Are you debating if you should add power ups or not? Oh, sure, why not? You have 2 weeks. Damn, I've yet to get started on it. Damn. Yeah, but I want to finish this thing first. Yeah, maybe I'll work on it next week. Are you posting your progress on GameJoe? You're just wondering if it will fit the game or not. Hey, you have to be on GameJoe, right? Let me look for you. Hang on. It's pretty simple. Yeah, but I guess it's supposed to be simple, right? For a web browser game. You can add power-ups just for fun, right? You could add it as a separate mode. Oh yeah, is the requirement is multiplayer part of the requirement as well? Multiplayer support? You have a GameJoe account, you just don't post any updates. Because you finish your game in the first... right. Right. see how it would look like. Wait, this is not. This is the wrong. It's the wrong image. Mockup. Mockup. There we go. Thinking of adding power-ups for your game too, but only if there's a challenge. Only if there's a challenge that can't be done without the power-ups. Right. It needs to be compatible with adding multiplayer, but it's okay if it doesn't. Just means there's 2 weeks just to add multiplayer. Nice. Might add the classic and super mode. Classic without power-ups. Okay, found it. Let me grab this. But just put it here. Should look something like this. Okay. I need to shift this a bit higher also. Yeah, I guess that's the game. I guess I have my mockup. This will be the intro scene. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. So the thing is, I do need to support. I do need to support the different aspect ratios. So I probably need to generate this cage, these cages, procedurally. Right, it should stretch out all the way to the left side of the screen. Okay, I guess I can do that as well. Make an online game, even though it's supposed to be an offline browser game. Make an online game. You know, I would like to make a online multiplayer game someday, but the technical side of things is a little bit scary. You know, syncing is not easy to do. Especially if it's an action game. Okay, I think I'm actually done. I should probably call it here. Yeah, but it would be funny. Yeah, it would be. It would be funny. Can put an online mode. That would be funny. Okay, yeah, let me call this here. So quick recap. I don't know what I did today. Yes, okay, I can show. There's this one thing that I did before my stream, like a tiny fix. I had the playtester complain about some of the UI element being obscured in on iPhone X. So on iPhone X, that on the top of the screen there's this like black thingy, right? And that portion of the screen is that thing. I do not know what that thing is called, but it blocks some of my UI elements, especially stuff like the title here and the options button here. So I make it such that if the aspect ratio is a little bit too thin, I would increase the margin for the UI elements. So you can kind of see there's some spacing here. Right, that's what I've done off stream. On stream is it's a little bit more straightforward. I added a sound effect for collecting for collecting the coins. For collecting all the coins. There we go. Just a simple sound effect. I think that's it. Oh man, I pretty much didn't do much, right? For this stream. Imagine you get the no internet screen and the game just says please connect to the internet to play. Yeah. You can try something that just for the lows. I guess that works. I guess that works. Oh, crap. I should go through here. Damn it. There you go. Okay. You could make a dummy account and submit a meme game. Yeah, do it. Just for the fun of it. Yeah. Anyway, thanks everyone for hanging around. I think that's it. Wait, let me do a quick check. Let me see who's online. Is there anyone who's online? If not, I will just end it here. Let me see. Who's online? You don't know how to make online games? No worries. I've also never really made one. I think there are a lot of resources online, so if we really want to do it, we can do the research online. Oh, no one's online. Damn it. What is this? Is this Game Maker? Oh, it's not. It's not. It looks cool though, the game. The game looks cool. You know what? You literally post a meme game with just one screen saying no internet LOL. Sure. Oh hey, Crazy UX, thanks man. Yeah, I'm heading off in a moment. Thanks for hanging around, man. You know what? I don't think there's anyone I can. I don't think there's anyone I can read. I was thinking of reading more retro games, but I'm afraid of the language barrier. It's not. I think his stream is not in English. Yeah, working on Game Maker, but not gonna stream today. Okay. Let us know when you start streaming. Oh, I see myself. I would like to read the ones without many people in there. What is these? Oh, that's a game, okay. Is this? What is this? What engine is this? Read myself. Game Maker Studio 2 for the win, yeah. But this one is oh, it's Godot, I see. Oh, I guess we can check him out. Cool, man. Anyways, thanks for hanging around. I will be back tomorrow in the afternoon. Well, in my local time, GMT +8 in the afternoon, 3 p.m. for game dev chat with Jonathan and Chow. We'll be showing our progress again. Chow will probably be talking about his Steam page, and maybe we'll do a little bit of playtesting. And then John will be talking about some HTML5 development stuff, and I will just talk about what little I've done to wrap up the game. Yeah. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you all. So here's what's gonna happen. I will run the outro, and then I will do the raid. So it's /raid. Excuse me. /raid. What's the username? /raid 99 Jofer. Thank you so much. Let me just type this in. Okay. Outro time. Thanks everyone.